Want to add new highlights on TikTok? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily add new highlights on TikTok. First thing first, head over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you're logged in into your specific account. Once you're in the home page, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the profile page, you will be able to see the highlights that you have added. If you want to add new one, then tap on new. It will show you all the stories that has been archived. From here, you can choose any of the story that you want to put it as a new highlight. Once you have selected, tap on add at the bottom of the screen. Now give the name for the new highlight. Once done, tap on create. Wait for a while for it to load. And there you can see that new highlight has been added to your TikTok feed. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.